There he goes. He's going down. Oh dear. I think the witch went down over there too. I don't know where he's landing, but it's not at the airport. Yeah. Landing on somebody's street.
That's not far from Three Corners.
Uh-uh.
Probably on somebody's roof.
I don't know. He stopped.
There he goes.
Giving it all he's got.
Ooh, that was close.
Yeah, it was close. Sure, he woke somebody up. Got the dogs up. There he goes. Now he's going back up.